Hey guys, welcome back. I am filming a video for Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I'm working on my second layout for the month for April 2022, and I'm going to use the page kit by Meredy Twilling called Live Simply. So I've got cardstock, and I don't know if you can see this. It's so cool. It's a wood grain cardstock in this taupe color paper. And yeah, I'm thinking about that. I've got a couple pieces in a butter color. I've got a Carta Bella piece in navy and mint. This is from Minte Old Manor, and it's gorgeous on both sides. And then I have one from Minte Cozy Evening. I'll be using this piece, but it's got this bold design on the other side. I also have some Simple Stories foam stickers, 49 and Market die cut pieces. I've got sequins, a die cut, and leafy bits, and all kinds of good stuff. So I need to put my thinking cap on a bit. I believe I want to mat this on one of the papers, and I don't know which one yet. It's almost a shame to mat on this, but I'm thinking towards this taupe and then gutting that. And then I'm thinking of doing something with some of these strips of the wood. So I have to figure that out. I have to map my photo. I'm gonna decide if I'm using this cut file whole, but I might just use the leaves because I like doing that kind of thing. Okay. When I hold it like this, yeah, my photo's not big enough. And then I have to look into painting up these gorgeous pieces as well. So I have a few things to do, and I'll be right back. So I decided to put some of those wood pieces. I cut up 3 of the planks, I guess, and put them top and bottom. And you see here, I took my my ink. I have this charcoaly color, and it really brought out the wood grain. So I did that on my matte piece as well. And then I'm going to matte this photo here with the same kind of a wood grain matte. I was so stoked when I rubbed my ink dauber across it, and it came out perfectly. I used this Speckled Egg Distress Oxide for my little wood veneer pieces, and I think they're gorgeous. Now, for my title, I chose Sweet Moments. Oh, and the cardstock cut, guys. I did go ahead and take it from being a frame to just leafy bits to going around my photo. Now, this Gigantor doily piece is kind of awesome because it creates kind of a still space next to my photo with all of this patterned paper. Even though it's patterned, it really looks like it calmed it down a bit for me. So I'm going to go ahead with this little frame. I'm going to go ahead and make a little shaker pocket with that. And then I'm going to just start going through the different die cut, ephemera, whatever you call them, pieces from this gorgeous set. I think the color is called Butter, and it's just perfect for this. Okay, so right here, I wanted to show you how I created my title. I put this "Oh Happy Day" on top of the wood veneer. I kind of changed focus from what I ended up, or what I wanted to do for my title. You see my shaker pockets with a little bit of the ephemera, and as well as the wood veneer. And like right now, I am happy as can be. I think it is fantastic. Okay, now I'm going to look for a couple of other little pieces to stick on while I'm at it. All right, so I have been coming up with all kinds of things, and I ended up putting these clear acrylic leaves on, and they are so awesome. Now I want clear acrylic everything. I say that with like the acrylic pieces we get with these kits. I'm like, wait, now I want all of this. But guys, the clear adds, obviously they're clear, right? But it adds all this dimension and that shine without taking away from anything around it. And I think we're on to something with this. So yeah, just a little request. More clear, please. More. Okay, I'm seeing what other little foam pieces that we have from Simple Stories to stick here, there, and everywhere. But I am feeling like we're pretty darn close to being done with this. Now on the left side of the photo, I have some of these pieces that that are like book text kind of things, but you know, it's from that same collection that's all the yellow tones and all that. So they just work. So my photo is bordered and surrounded, but it's not overwhelming, at least to me. I know some people just are like, wow, you can use some pattern. I'm like, yes, I can. Anywho, so this at this point, I'm just going to be looking at a few more pieces, bits and pieces of things that I have, and moving them around a bit. What else? I did love that we have these simple story stickers. I think that it's awesome when we get something like this because it gives us like that die cut thing with the dimension already on it, but we also have titles and little fill-in bits. So at this point, I want to go ahead and get a few sequins down. And now here are the still shots. So I have the sequins down. I'm going to have links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, Facebook group, as well as the blog. So hopefully you'll share your projects with us next time you are on one of our groups. And I think that is it. All right, thanks so much for watching, friends. Bye-bye.